guys, I'm Shivangi Sarda and welcome to Weekly Market Watch. Now, congratulations to all of you for the index touching lifetime high levels near about 21,500 in Nifty. But before we move ahead, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for timely updates. So coming back to the markets, we've seen tremendous action by the bulls in the entire week. All the sectors are performing and aiding to the rally in the index. The index has moved by more than 2,600 points in the last 7 to 8 weeks. And this momentum is only going to continue. So for Nifty, the next levels that we are watching out for is 21,650 and 21,750 zones with a support near 21,200 levels. The FIIs are back with full action, so the momentum is likely to continue across the board. And talking about the banking index, we've seen some action in the PSU space, which is helping the index. So for Bank Nifty, we are seeing the next levels 48,500 and then 49,000 levels. For support, we are looking at 47,750 and 47,500 zones. Now, stocks and sectors to focus on would be IT. Of course, IT has, performed in the last 2 to 3 sessions and is only beginning to perform and, aiding the index in this rally. So, IT is one such name which is to be kept in focus. Other than that, look out for the banking space, which is now performing after a slack of the last 1 month. Some of the mid-cap and small-cap names are also going to be in focus. So, this is it for this week. See you next time.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.